Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello trader. Hope everybody is doing good and fine. So we are back with another video for the analysis of the forex pair. First of all, we will talk about the fundamental that we are going to face this week. So on today, on Tuesday, January 17, we have some high impact news for the CNY, GBP, and the CAD, and the USD, that is the Empire State Manufacturing Index. After that, on Wednesday, January 18, we have some high impact news for the JPY and the GBP. After that, we have the core PPI for the USD, and that is the monthly, and we have core retail sales PPI, that is also the monthly. After that, if we talk about the Thursday, January 19, we have some medium impact news for the AUD and the USD, that is the unemployment claims. And after that, we have another important news, that is the FOMC member branch speaks. After that, on January 20, Friday, we have some high impact news for the GBP, CHF, Euro, CAD, and the special pair USD. Existing home sales and the FOMC member Waller speaks. So let's move towards the DXY. First of all, we will find out the level here. As you can see here, this is the most important level right now that is going to be reacted, and before that this level was the strong one. And as you can see here, that at this point it managed to break this level, but it failed two times. After that, it finally breaks down and completed almost its retest. So its next target is, according to me, is around 101.258. At this point, we can expect that it is going to follow the upward trend. As you can see here, that from the starting of the year, dollar was continuously falling, and we also had the CPI news that impacted the dollar to the fall down, because the CPI was negative, it was a low, so it was causing the dollar to fall down. So we can expect some more fall down in the DXY this week. After that, you know that the DXY, whenever the DXY fall, the USD pairs like X or USD will rise. And as you very well know about the USD current high was the 1930, and it went from 1800 this year till the 1930. We find a very bullish movement in the XUSD this year. So after that, let's move towards the H4 time frame. Let's see what do we have here. We have here the first thing, break of structure. As you can see, after that the long impulse, it's completed the retest and it's again falling down. And as I told you, this level is the strongest level right now, so it's possible that after reaching this area, it is going to follow the bullish trend again. Alright, so after that, in M30, these two levels are the current most important levels right now. It made a fake breakout here, but it seems that it will again fall down, and it will make a perfect breakout at this time. Okay, so after covering this DXY, let's move towards my special pair, that is the XUSD gold. Maybe you all very well know about that I love to trade on the XUSD gold. First of all, we will discuss about the daily time frame, and I have discussed the DXY and the gold in my previous videos as well, so you can go and watch out there. So here the first thing that I want to define about that this level, this was the previous high, that was at 2070, and the previous lowest was 1600, that was at the November 22. So here we see the corrections, as you can see here, the corrections, and this is also a correction that is in the form of the falling wedge. And another thing here, let me show you that, as you can see here, that the Elliott waves are working right now. We have the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth, and the fifth. After that, it is making its correction. This is the A, but according to me, the A isn't completed right now. We have the W, X, Y at this point, and it's possible that it will make its Z, and again, sorry, it will make its X again, and after that it will complete at this point the Z. So the point for the Z is, let me show you. If I put a Fibonacci from this area till this area, so you can see here that it has break out the 61.80% of the correction. So it's possible that next target after the retracement will be around 1980. So it's possible that the XUSD fall will still be the bullish. And as I told you before, that the CPI impact, and from this year we continuously have seen the bullish impact. So it's possible that it's going to keep the trend again, but after completing its, after having a strong reduction at this point, or maybe at this point 78.60%, we can hold our sale long. At least minimum point will be 1800 again. So if I talk about the shorter time frames, let's discuss the H1. Here we can see the continuations of higher highs and the higher lows, and as you can see here, we have the consolidations, and it completed the breakout after retested and again following the bullish. So in the current situation right now, this area, this one, that is the 1907, and after that this area, that was the Fibonacci level 61.80%, that is around 1900. So the dollar current move can be expected that it is going to either fall down till 1908 again, or maybe 1900, then it's again going in the bullish trend again. So this was the analysis for the gold, and if you want detailed videos for it, you can check out my previous videos as well. I have discussed the gold in brief in my previous videos. After that, let's talk about the silver. Here I have prepared the analysis, but it didn't work, so the confirmation was not, so we didn't take the trade, but it is still following the same pattern. We have the expanded fiat here, and just 1 second. This area is the first one good area, and after that we have this area, and second and the third one is this. So we can expect that it is going till this point, and then it's going to fall down again. And as you can see here, it is made its first wave A, B, and at this point it has made its C, but the C isn't completed right now. Just 1 second. Here is our first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave will be completed at the upper trend line of this expanded VR. So according to my analysis, the XRG USD, that is the silver, is going to follow the buy trend again. Then after that it is going to make its correction and it is going to fall down. So let's discuss SPX. Let's move in the daily time frame first. First thing here is the rising wedge, and it has completed the breakout and making its retracement, so it is going to fall down. But from where, I will tell you that. And second thing here, this area, that is the strong area, so it's expected that it's going to fall down from this area. First point. After that, if I move in the H4 time frame, nothing special here. Let's move in the more shorter time frames. So the scenario that is going to happen is, just one second. Here we had our consolidation phase, and after that it completed the breakout and completed the retest as well. And it's again moving up. So the first important level, that the first target of the SPX is 4030, and we will get the next move from this point. Either it is going to break this level and completing the retest and again following the buy trend, or it will reject and complete the break of structure like this, and it's again going to fall down. So I will recommend you not to enter until it breaks or rejects. Let's check out the RSI as well. So according to the RSI, it is going to follow the sale trend. And let me check the other indicators just for fun. So the EMAs are in the favor of buy, but it can be the short term, and nothing special like this. After that, let's move towards Nasdaq. I think we have almost the same scenario. Let's talk about the H4 time frame first. The current area is the strong area, and after that this is our support level, and let's move towards the daily first. If I put a trend line from this point till this point, so according to this, let me move towards the H4. So according to this area that is reacting at the SR level, that is around 11,600 is the strong area, and it's going to reject from this point and going to follow the sale trend. But if it breaks out and retest, then it's going to be in the buy trend, but don't enter until it finally breaks or reject and completed the break of structure with a retracement, then enter. So here we have the break of structure. It completed the break of this structure and completed the retest. The possibility is for this, we have the strong possibility for the sale, and yeah, After that, we are going to discuss about the DJI Dow Jones. First of all, we have the selling divergence. After that, the EMAs are in the support of Y. Now, after that, let's move towards the daily time frame. Here it was a long impulse and it completed the correction, and as you can see here that this area was the strong area. It completed the break of structure with the retracement, and as you can see it is going to follow the buy trend again. We have the the strong possibility of bullish in the Dow Jones. Let's discuss the shorter time frame as well. Alright, so this area and these area was the important area, reacting as the support and resistance in there, and we have the consolidation phase. After the consolidation, it completed the breakout. At this point, it completed the retest. That was the strong support resistance level, but it reacted as the support level after the breakout. Then it again followed the long impulse and completed the retest and the break of structure, and again it is going to follow the buy trend. So according to my analysis, the Dow Jones is strong bullish. And if you want to enter in the trade, you can enter like this. Your next target could be around 35,000. So after that, let's discuss the BTC. Let's discuss from the short time frame. Here we have the corrective pattern, that is the bullish channel, and if the candle crosses this EMA, then it's going to fall down, and once it started falling down, the next target that I have told you in my previous videos, you can go and check out the previous target, and we have discussed the free signal for the BTC USD in my previous video, so you can go and check out there. Almost we are running in profit, around 2,000-3,000 pips in profit, so you can go and check out my previous video for the BTC detailed video and the free signal. Now let's talk about the daily time frame first. From the start of 2023, we see a very impulsive move in the BTC USD, and it went from 16,000 till 20,000 in this week. This was unexpected. So the current situation is that this area is the most important area reacting right now. So we need to wait for the rejection, or we need to wait for the breakout. But the possibility is that it is going to follow the sale trend, and after that, if I put a trend line from this area, so we have the bullish channel, the bearish channel as well. So to complete its retracement, it is going to follow the sale trend again. Then this area, after this area, the lower area is the most important level. If it's going to reject this, break this, then it's again sale. But if reject from this, then it's going to be boom, it's going to make a long impulse again. So this current area, that is the $21,700, we need to wait until it rejects or break this area. Then we are going to decide what will be our next move. So nothing special in the BTC right now. After that we are going to discuss some random pair. Alright, so let's discuss the USD CHF. We have the signal running in our USD CHF. Alright, so as you can see here, that first of all we have the bearish channel as the correction, and it has completed 1 2 3 4 4 impulsive wave, and it's going to follow the sale trend to complete its fifth impulsive wave. After that, reaching at this area, it's going to start making its correction. So yeah, nothing special right now in this situation, and we have more other reasons, and we have signal running of the USD CHF in a premium channel that is positive right now. After that, let's discuss natural gas. The natural gas daily time frame. The natural gas is continuously following the sell trend, and as you can see here, that it made impulse wave, then the correction, and it's again following this impulse wave again. That is in downward trend. So its next target can be this area, that is 272.3. After that we can expect some boom in the bullish moves. So yes, nothing else here. If we talk in the shorter time frame, in the shorter time frames we can see here the lower lows and the lower highs, and nothing important that can indicate that that can be helpful for the for knowing that the trend is now being reversed. So we will wait until it breaks out this area, or either it's going to break out this area. Once it made the lower and the lower highs trend cancel, and it started making the higher highs and the higher lows, then you can hold your running trades very much bullish, and you can hold your trades till the long term. It will make a strong bullish move after it indicates the signal for the trend reversal. Let's discuss the US 500. Just 1 second. Okay, so if you have seen my previous videos, I have discussed the US 500 as well. We have here the bullish channel, and it has completed the breakout and the retest, and it is currently standing at the 61.80% of the Fibonacci level. So if it's break, then it's going till the 78.60%, or it is going to fall down from this level. So we need a strong rejection or the strong breakout of this current level. And if we discuss in this in the shorter time frame, that we have here a rising wedge pattern here, and we need to wait until it breaks the lower trend line and completed its retracement. So this was the analysis for some of the pairs of the forex that are in the watch that are in my watch list. And except these, all this, we have GBP CAD, NSD USD, NSD CAD, Euro CAD, CHF JPY, AUD JPY, AUD NSD, and all these pairs, as you can see here, these all are in my watch list right now. And if you want the signal with the proper SLNTP, you can join my premium channel and you can have the fun with me. So see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share so you don't miss any upcoming update. See you in the next video. Goodbye.